In this tutorial, I will show you how to export a specific section or layout from one website and then import that section to another website using Elementor plugin. Log into your WordPress website and open the dashboard. Visit the website and then enable the Elementor Page Builder. Here we have our About section of this resort hotel website which we want to export as JSON file. Click on Edit Elementor and wait for a few seconds until it is activated. Page Builder is start loading. Be patient and wait for a few seconds. It will not take much longer time. Now right click on top center of the About section and click Save as Template to save this template. Elementor library pop-up will be shown. Enter the name of the template for reference as I wrote about us. Next go to my template section and find the about us, which is the name of our saved template. Here it is. Click and select export option and save the JSON file in your respective folder. The first part of the tutorial is completed as we have successfully exported the JSON file of a particular about section. In next section, I will import that about us section to another website, another live website. For this purpose, repeat the process and log into your WordPress dashboard. Again, visit your home page and edit the page with the Elementor. Wait for a few seconds. As I already told you, the loading time will be a few seconds. Now click on add new section. Now click on add new section and then add from library option. On the top right side, you can see this import template option. Just click on this and then select the file from your computer. After the import has been completed, simply click on insert option and it will add that section, about section, to our homepage template. Now I will customize it as I am building this website for a client. If you like this video, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question, please mention in the comment below, and if you need any kind of WordPress tutorial, please send me an email. See you in next tutorial. Thank you.